video, I'm going to show you how to draw your bobbin thread up so you can begin your free motion quilting. Hello there and welcome to my channel. Every single Wednesday I upload a new video on how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. Let me show you on one of my quilts why it's important to draw up that bobbin thread. When you don't draw up that bobbin thread correctly, you're going to end up with something that looks a little bit like this. And it's so much more visible on this quilt because I chose to use a brown instead of a matching colour. I'm going to show you this on my Baby Lock Soprano, but it's going to be pretty much the same method on most machines. You're going to drop your presser foot down and we're going to turn your hand crank 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to lift our presser foot back up. We're going to pull our work forward and then we're going to grab both these threads and pull the bobbin thread through. One of the important things to remember about this is to make sure that that line ends up in the centre again. Always move it forwards and not in reverse because I think it can mess up some of your workings. And then try and get your needle back in to the position it was in. And now you're ready to free motion quilt. If you have found this video useful, please give it a like so other people like you can find me. I make videos every single Wednesday, so I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.